Welcome! In front of me I have Hama FitWatch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. It's going to be at the bottom of the menu. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it, and here you need to find the option called sound or sounds and vibration. Once you find it, tap on it, of course. Let's wake up the screen again, tap on the option, and here look for the option called vibration intensity and tap on it. And now we can choose between 3 levels of vibration strength, and we have weak, moderate and strong. Select the one you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.